What's the science? What's the difference between a chemical change and a physical change? A chemical change is when something happens to the original essence or substance of a thing, and you could never bring it back to the original form. It changes completely into something totally different. A physical change, if you make a change to it, you still have the same composition or components. Now, let's break it down so it can sound easier. All right. So, chemical change or physical change. This paper, right? If I were to burn this paper, don't try this at home. Make sure you have a scientist, teacher, or parent with you. All right. And don't do it at home. Do it in a science lab. All right. If I were to burn this paper, will it still be paper? No, it will turn to ashes, right? So is that a chemical change or a physical change? It's a chemical change. The chemicals, the chemistry, the composition, the makeup has changed. Now, here's another example. If I just rip this in half, what do we have? We still have, or even little pieces, right? We still have the same, it's paper. We have the same thing. It's still paper from a tree. It's the same thing. So that is a physical change. It didn't change into something totally different. We could probably put all the pieces back together and make it the same. So that is a physical change, okay? Physical change. All right. Now here's a tricky question. What's H2O? You can see that, right? H2O. Nope, that's hydrogen, 2 atoms, oxygen, 1 atom. H2O. H2O is water. I flow like H2O. Now you know. You know what I'm saying? H2O, water. Flow like the now, like Rakim would say. Okay, anyway, back. Water. Here's the question. If I boil water and it becomes steam, is it a physical change or a chemical change? If I freeze water and it becomes ice, is it a physical change or a chemical change? If I melt if I melt ice and it becomes water, is it a physical change or a chemical change? All right. The answer is physical change. Why? Because no matter what you do, if you heat it and it becomes steam, it's still H2O. And if it comes back down and it becomes liquid, it's still H2O. And if you freeze it and it's ice, solid, it's still H2O. So, it's only a physical change. You can keep bringing it back to its former state if you wanted to. So, it's still a physical change, not a chemical change. Now, maybe if you put Kool-Aid in the water and sugar and dye and vitamins and all kind of stuff, protein mix, I think the chemicals would probably change. You could Google that one. But my hypothesis is that would be a chemical change. There's water still, but there's all kind of other stuff in it, right? It's not pure. All right. MrO, the hip-hop teacher, gotta go. And now you know.